Today we are going to make chicken dinner with just 3 simple ingredients and 3 spices. The ingredients are right in front of you. I've got here half a kg of chicken. I'm going to cook it a little to bring out any water. Add 1/3 cup of cooking oil once the exterior of the chicken turns a little golden. Cooking chicken without oil for the first few minutes speeds up the drying process without overcooking it. Cover it and leave it to simmer without disturbing for 5 minutes or until the water dries completely. Now here are our 3 spices which are available in every kitchen. Add yogurt before putting in spices to save them from burning in the oil. Chili flakes, cumin powder, and salt. Mix it all thoroughly so that the chicken can absorb the taste properly. Now we need to dry up all the water created by yogurt. Doing it on medium to high heat without any lid will dry it up more quickly. This is how it should be when it dries. Now to add our remaining 2 ingredients, onions and tomatoes. Cover it and leave it to cook on low heat until the tomatoes and onions are cooked and tender. We would want them to retain their shape and not turn into a mush. See, this is how it looks when it's done. Now let me take it out on a plate and show you the final look.